Jamaican stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. A family curse. Full story. St. Thomas, Jamaica, is known throughout the island to be a beautiful parish but dangerous place spiritually, and it is said that only Christians of pure heart and strong faith survive there. It is alleged that they set people to Hing themselves, jump in river, running crazy on the street, and send evil spirits to unalive people in 7 to 9 days. It is said that they also set people to burn down their own houses. The children of the weak always come out to nothing good. In Elwes Valley, a whole family was very possessed with evil spirits that people put on them. The mother and father of the children was unalived in very evil ways. The children, every last one of them, either became mentally ill or HI'd themselves. Their house looked like the devil lived in it. One of the sons was so possessed that he burned the house down and HI'd himself. How they found his body was the talk of the town. The man was very light-skinned, thin and tall with dreadlocks, and used to talk to himself. He had a baby mother with 1 or 2 daughters before his illness got worse. She had to run away from him. One of his brother is still living but is very ill in the head, and the sister is also mentally ill. All the other brothers HI'd themselves. Before he burned his family's house down, he was attacking the children in the community. After the house was burned to the ground, the land was never resold because it carries a curse that will befall anyone who inhabits it.
Like and follow for more.